Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? Am I audible, team?
Yes, you are, Anjay.
Yeah, thank you. So, in yesterday class, we are discussing about the catalog items. Okay, we have created one catalog item. Add users to group. Okay, today we can continue with that catalog item. So, I'm going to maintain items. Yes, maintain items. So, our catalog item name is add user to group. Right. So, here it is showing all the groups. Okay. Just for change, I may change order of this group and user. Okay. So I'm opening the catalog item form. So I will change the order. I want group in the top. Okay. So I'm just changing order to 50. Yeah. Right. So you can see group and user. For example, if I select administration group, so you can come. Who all are, so here it is showing all the users. It is showing all the users. So tell me who are there in Servicenow administration group, Anji user, Anusha user. Okay. So now I'm trying to search for these users here. Anji user and Anusha user. So you can see. So this Anji user and Anusha user already exist in this group. Again, why we have to display users here? Is it required? Why we have to display users here? We don't. Okay. Already existing group members I don't want to display in the list. Existing group members I don't want to display in this list. Okay, we can write a advanced reference qualifier. Now I'm going to script include. Okay, under system definition we have script include new. So I'm just writing user role group check. I'm saying like user role group check. So for our requirement, we don't require client callable true. Maybe in future, if I want to write new functions within that, okay, I'm writing like this. Okay, whatever we are creating now, we don't require client callable. Okay, because we are not calling to client side. Like what I feel in future, if you want to call this particular script include to the client side programming. Okay, for future purpose only, I just kept client callable true. Okay, because so maybe other catalog items code also I may write here. Okay, now you can come. Exclude group members. Okay, just saying exclude group members. Function where group equal to current dot variables dot variable name group. Current dot variables dot variable name group. You can come here. So what is the relationship table for group and user? 10 jar member table. First of all, we can identify who all are there in this particular group. Here I'm declaring one empty array where data equal to, okay, where gr equal to new glad record of this underscore user underscore grm mp gr member gr dot add query of group comma group comma group. This double quotes group is a column name in the gr member table. Okay, this group is sys id of group. We are selecting the catalog item form. Okay, sys id of group we are selecting in the catalog item form. Okay, next gr dot query. Here we don't know how many records will come. That's what I'm writing while gr dot next. You can come data dot push off data dot push off gr dot get value of gr dot get value of user. So into this data object, I'm bringing users. I'm bringing the users. Yes, you can come outside. You can come outside. Within the function, you can write another glide record on user table. Okay, we can exclude users coming in this data array. Where gr equal to new glad record of this underscore user gr dot add query of this comma id not in data gr dot query. Here definitely we will get multiple WHILEY gr dot next. Okay. Here also I'm creating one array where grp members, something like this. Where grp members. It's an array. Taking as array. Copy. grp members dot push off gr dot get value of sys. Okay. So I'm passing the user sys here into grp members dot push array. Now you can come return. If it is the advanced reference call for we have to return like as a filter condition. Okay. Now you can come with sys in sys. Okay. Group members dot join of comma. I'm separating each sys with comma. Okay. Now we can note down that script, what are the script we have to call to the advanced reference call for JavaScript. Let's see, right, colon u script include name that function. Our function name is exclude group members. Copy and change script include. For our requirement, we don't require a client callable as of now for our requirement, but in future purpose also, maybe if I write any client callable script includes, I may use same for this catalog items. Okay. Save. So just give admin, it will create a client callable ACL scripting client callable script include ACL, it will create. Now you can come. So we have successfully written a code. Now you can come. I'm just going to the user, configure variable, leave. Yeah. Hmm. Type specification, advanced, then copy that logic, update. Okay. Now you can come and refresh it. Reload. For example, I'm selecting service and administration. So if Anji user comes here, our code is mistake. No, no Anji user. If Anusha users comes, it's a code mistake. Again, we can click on list and verify. Mm. You can see now it is showing 644. Anji user not there. Then our code is right. Anusha not there. Am I added a build tutor like that to this group? I think I also added a build tutor. Okay, that's what it is not showing. Abraham Lincoln will show because Abraham Lincoln is not part of this group, you can see. Okay, you may verify Abel tutor is there within that group. It's underscore user so group dot list. Administration. We have three members. You can see. Anji, Anusha, Abel tutor. Okay, that's what Abel tutor also not shown here. So I'm just writing this code, copying, pasting. Next. So I'm closing all the tabs. Okay, I'm just refreshing it. So here I'm selecting Servicenow administration. So maybe Abraham Lincoln I'm selecting. It's order now. Yeah. So you can open RITM. You can see the workflow, whether it is executed or show workflow. Yes. It is successfully processed, started. And I think I haven't explained this color code, so you can see how it looks like. If workflow activity in green color, that workflow activity currently executing. Okay. If it is in blue color, it should be finished. It should be in red color. We have error. If it is in orange color, it's cancelled. That activity should be cancelled. If it is in yellow color, timeout, ash color, restarted. Okay, running, finished, error, cancelled, timeout, restarted. Based upon these colors, we can identify that whether that activity is processed successfully or we have any errors, we have any cancelled or timeout kind. Okay, these are the color codes for this. So, and we can verify for the Servicenow administration group, Abraham Lincoln is added or not. Added or not, Abraham Lincoln? Tell me. So you can successfully add it. Okay. Here, tell me one thing. So we joined in the organization. Okay. So actually, I don't require iPhone within the organization. Within the organization, I don't require iPhone. So if I order iPhone, if I get that iPhone, is it good? Definitely not. So organization always provides the items or assets or configuration items always if it is required. Otherwise, it won't provide any asset to their employees. Okay. So if I order iPhone, even I don't have any requirement on that within the organization. So they are providing if the catalog item management providing the item, that should be not good. We have to avoid that. At least at least it has to send for my manager approval. My manager knows that whether I require iPhone or not. Okay. Like that, even if I'm trying to add, if I'm trying to add Saujanya to Servicenow administration group, is that good? No. My manager knows. My manager knows that. Okay. Otherwise, for example, Saujanya planning to join into the Servicenow administration group, she has to get at least approval from his manager. Okay. So I'm just closing these two tabs. Even I'm removing these two users again and again. Insert these two users only into the group. Now I'm going to send for manager approval. Once manager is approved, then only I need to add the member into the group. Okay. So again, I'm going to the maintain items. And I'm opening maintain items. Add user to group. Come here. You go, you go to the process engine, you can open the workflow. Once manager approvals come, then only the item user need to be added into the Servicenow administration group. Otherwise, not. Okay. Now you can come. So it is published. If it is a published, we cannot edit. We cannot edit. We have to check out. I'm just checking out. So you can say begin and add user to group. Okay. Now come. What I can say. So here I'm taking manager approval. You can come. Approvals. You can drag the approval user activity. So we just need that manager approval. Okay. Approval user. Mm. So manager approval. Manager approval. PPROVL, manager approval. So here we have different stages. Okay. We just started as the previous class, right? That's what I haven't given this stage to the run script activity. Today I will give. Okay. You can see we have different activities. Waiting for approval. I'm selecting the stage, waiting for approval. We don't require any condition. I'm directly adding the manager. You can see users. I'm clicking on hierarchy symbol. Requested for manager. I'm just adding for requested for manager. Okay. You can see requested for manager. Requested for manager. I just added approval like requested for manager. Okay. I'm just submitting. So before run script, I'm adding. Okay. Before run script adding. So if we are taking any approval activities, okay, we have to use approval action also. Okay, whether it is approved or not, we have to tell. I'm just dragging here. I'm saying approved. Stage also selecting approved. Request approved. Stage name is. Okay. Submit. So if it is approved, it has to go for approval action. If it is rejected, again I'm selecting approval actions for rejected. It is rejected. Request. I'm saying request cancelled. Okay. Rejected means I'm saying request cancelled. In the action, I'm selecting earlier it is mark task approved. Mark task rejected. Okay. Mark task rejected. I'm just going to submit if it is rejected. Okay. I'm just dragging all this properly. So approval action if it is approved. Okay. So what I'm saying, you can execute this script. If it is approved, you can execute this script. And you can come here. We can keep stage as fulfillment. Submit. If it is a rejected, I want to cancel R18. I want to cancel request as well. I'm just dragging set values. Incomplete. Wait. Stage again, I'm selecting request cancelled. State I'm setting. In RATM table, I'm just setting the state. Closed incomplete. Okay. Submitting. Yeah, I'm just setting the RATM values request cancelled and incomplete. Yes. If it is rejected, okay. You can bring this here. I just provided the drag. Here you can say if RITM, if approval comes, okay, it is adding user to group. Then after I want to close the RITM, I want to close the request. Okay. I'm just bringing another set value activity. Completed or something we have. Okay. Completed. Closed incomplete. Sorry, completed. I'm just making completed only. Okay. You can come here, set value, state, closed complete. I'm setting the state is closed complete. Submit. I'm just removing this. I'm dragging this properly here. Okay. This is my workflow. Within this workflow, if you have any queries, let me know. So once we submit a catalog item, the workflow begins and it will ask for manager approval. Whoever submitting the request, it will ask for their manager approval. Once manager approved, it is marking it is approved and the script is executing. It is adding user to group and RITM closing, request closing, and workflow is ending. So for example, manager rejects the request. It is cancelling the RITM, it is cancelling the request. Okay, got it everyone? This is the workflow we have created. Any queries here, let me know. Aziz, Victoria, Jaya, Lata, Lakshmi, Sai, any queries? If not, I'm just
No
publishing.
one.
Okay. So here you can see. If we publish the workflow, then only it will capture in the update set. Otherwise, it's not. If you capture the update set, if you publish the workflow, then only it will capture in the update set. Okay, publish. Now I'm just trying it again. Just trying it again. Servicenow administration group. I may select able tutor here. I may select able tutor here. So why now able tutor coming? Because able tutor is not member of Servicenow administration group. Just order now. Once we ordered the catalog item, I'm just clicking here to open RITM. Okay, and scroll down. It is asking for the manager approval. Thread loading. Show flow. Now manager approval of flow is triggered. Okay, and you can see Fred Ludi is whose manager? Fred Ludi is Able Tutor's manager is Fred Ludi. You can verify once. Who is Able Tutor's manager? Oh, Fred Ludi. You may verify system administrator manager Fred Ludi. Here I want to explain something. I may submit another request. Okay. Wait. For system administrators manager, I'm just changing as of now. I'm saying like Christograph or something. It's not there. I'm making Chris. System administrators manager is Chris. Okay. So here I just want to explain something. Okay. Again, I'm submitting the request. You can see. After submission of request, the able tutor is not added. Once we get approval, then only he is added to the group. Okay. I'm going to the maintain items. Adding that to group. Right. This service administration able tutor. Okay, I'm using able tutor here. Order now. Just to open RITM. Tell me who is system administrator's manager? Chris. Okay, system administrator manager is Chris. It is went to Chris. It is not went to this user's manager. You can see the approval not went to Able tutor's manager. Able tutor's manager is Fred Lodi. Okay. So whoever submitted the request, it is going to that user's manager approval. Okay, that request, whoever submitted the item, it is going to his approval. So here the catalog item is submitted by system administrator. So that's what approval request went to the Chris. Okay. Once Chris approves, request, the user should be added to the group. RITM close complete. Request also close complete. You can say click on request, close complete. Okay, this is the requirement. Once you can see the workflow on which path it went. So workflow. Begin, manager approval, approved, add user to group, completed, and this path it went. These two activities are not executed. Okay, because of it went to this path. Next, no, this time I don't want to go for Chris approval. That means system administrators manager approval. I want up here, I want approval for Able Tutor's manager approval. Whoever the user we are adding, I want that particular user approval. Okay, here we selected Able Tutor. I want Able Tutor's manager approval, not system administrator's approval. Okay, I'm just for time being, I'm removing the Able Tutor. Again, I will add and I will show you. So, now there is no Able Tutor in this group. Okay, I'm just closing this order RITM this workflow context. Again, I'm going to maintain items. No. First of all, we can update workflow. Okay, we want that user's manager approval, right? Not submitted manager approvals. I want whoever the user we are selecting, his manager approval we required. I'm just editing the approval user workflow. Actually, I will write some script here. I will write some script. You can come. I don't want this. If I give like this, it is going to the whoever submitted the form, his manager apply it is going. I don't want this. I am selecting the advanced. Okay. You can come and comment fourth line and fifth line. Okay. So here I'm just adding current to dot variables dot user dot manager. Okay, I'm just adding users manager here by multi dot working I did. Okay, I just add two lines to notepad. Here I am doing multi dot working server side. Okay, you can current dot variables dot user, whoever the user we are selecting. We are navigating to his manager. Update. Yes, we have successfully updated the logic and I'm publishing the workflow. Then only this workflow should be available in the update set, current update set. Okay. Yes, we have submitted. Now there is no ability tutor in the solution administration. I just removed. And again, I'm going to maintain items. Add user to group. Right. Okay. So here I'm selecting Servicenow administration. I'm just I'm just explaining with one group only. Okay. You can try for multiple groups. Okay. Here I'm trying to select ability tutor. Yes. Now I'm ordering it. It has to go for ability tutor's manager approval as per our requirement. Okay. So you can see and see the workflow. Yes, it is going to Fred Ludy's approval. Got it, everyone? Fred Ludy is ability tutor's manager. Fred Ludy is ability tutor's manager. We selected ability tutor here. Maybe this time you already seen, right, whose approval it is going. Maybe this time I'm rejecting the request. You can see reject. Yes, we rejected the request. Request close, cancel, request cancel, close incomplete. Okay, workflow should be ended. You can open show workflow. On which path it went? Rejected path. This path it went. These three activities not executed. I can say manager approval, manager rejected. We are canceling the request. We are canceling the requested item. Okay, this path it went. Tell me, for example, here Fred Ludy and Double Tutor both are friends. Okay, Fred Ludy and Double Tutor both are friends. Maybe I can say it's within the organization. Okay, it's kind of they both have maintaining the good relationship. Simply able to asked, I will submit the request. You can add me into the Servicenow administration group. Okay, able to requested to the Fred Ludy. Fred Ludy, based upon the rapport with able tutor, yeah, you can submit the request. I will approve and you can join in that group. He said like that. Okay. Yeah, that would be fine. His manager is approving, whatever it may be. His manager is approving. So even group also has to know, right, whether he has to join in their group or not. Okay. Okay. Got it. That group approval also required here. That group approval also required. Group has to approve. Yes, you can join. Group members also has to say that you can join or you don't join. They have to say like that. Yeah, I may add group approval now. I'm just going to workflow editor, check out. Now I'm adding approval group. You can bring approval group. Name. Group approval. Again, I'm saying waiting for approval. Okay. If it is approval, definitely stage is waiting for approval. What I'm saying, group No, we can write script for this as well. Okay, advanced. If you have proper group name, you know the group name, and it has to go for always this group. You can mention here group, software or hardware, like that. Okay, we don't know what group we select there. Okay, I'm just simply writing group here. Current dot variables dot variable name group. Okay, copy, submit. Yeah. So where is this? We can add this for up before approval action only. Okay, all approval should be before approval action activity. So I'm just adding after once manager is approved, I'm just going for the group approval. Okay, publish. Once group also approves, you can go for, you can add this user to group, I'm saying. Okay, published. Wait, I'm just closing this workflow context closing. Okay. In this, anybody there? Abraham Lincoln or Ableton not there. Now again, I'm going to maintain items. Add user to group. Right.